If you want to know when your employees are working or not working, and more importantly, when they're clocking in and clocking out, you're going to want to get this. This is absolutely awesome. So this is a standalone fingerprint and RFID time attendance system. It's super easy to set up. Comes with this super helpful instruction guide. Literally, you just walk through this and you'll be good to go. This is what the unit looks like right over here. Really, really cool. Literally just plug this in, start reading the instruction guide, and you'll be good to go. So you'll see here we have the keypad right here, so someone could have to log in if they want to do that. You also have this fingerprint option right here. So if I put my finger on there, I don't have it set up for it will say it doesn't work, so no one could go in or out. Only that person could do it. You have the time right there. And then you also have these RFID cards. So you would put that right here once you have them set up for your employees, which is really, really nice. You could also mount this on the wall. It comes with the screws and everything you need. This does not require Wi-Fi or anything like that. Literally just plug it in, read the instruction manual, set it up. This thing is absolutely awesome. So if you're looking for a great way to keep track of when your employees come and go, this is great. It also transfers all the data to the computer. It comes with a USB. You just put that in your computer and it'll transfer the data for you. A huge thanks to the brand for sending this to review. Go check this out.